Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete apps from the app library on your iPhone even when parental controls are turned on. Wow, right? Here's something a lot of people probably going to struggle with. So let's break down the steps. First, you gotta unlock your iPhone and swipe left until you reach the app library. Over here, find the app you want to delete by scrolling or using the search bar. Tap and hold on the app icon. If you see Delete App, go ahead and tap it. Confirm Delete again and the app is gone already. Okay, but if the Delete App option doesn't show up, you gotta check your parental controls. Open Settings, tap on Screen Time, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your screen time passcode if it asks. Now tap on App Installations and Purchases or iTunes and App Store Purchases, depending on your iOS version. Tap on Deleting Apps. Choose Allow. Oh great, that unlocks the restriction ahead. Anyways, now go back to the app library. Tap and hold on the app again. This time you'll see Delete App. Tap it. Confirm by tapping Delete one more time. That's it. The app is permanently removed. I would like you to hit that like button if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips ahead. And comment if you want to ask for more help.